How y'all doing? We stoop telling 2023. This for 2024. I'm knocking on your door. Ivan Bates, this is for you. You having a town hall next week up in Park Heights. Take this as part of the conversation. You sitting here going after our youth? Well, you got to go after white-collar criminals too. I've exhausted my remedies under the law, city, county, state, and federal levels. Ivan Bates is a part of this. There ain't no law against making a movie. The movie is a whistleblower. I got whistleblower protections. Yeah, I blew the whistle on the courts and the corruption in the courts behind the war on drugs. Y'all read the book, The New Face of Jim Crow by Michelle Alexander? You seen the movie, The 13th Amendment? Well, this goes a whole lot deeper. This goes to the root of the problem. We traded the penitentiary for the plantation cotton for cocaine, and you made our black communities the cash crop. Like I said, pay attention to the story. It's a true story. Alright, it's a true story. It's like hip-hop. We put it in the basement. We started in the basement. That's where hip-hop started. And this was I started. That's Shorty's Barbecue. Alright? I was established in 1997. I own parts of me. I got sole proprietorship. Nobody can sign my checks. Nobody can assume my identity. Shorty's is the self-help organization for the redevelopment and re-education of the young. Yeah, I'm an acronym. You know what an acronym is? Look it up. Google me. I ain't hard to find. I'm gonna do like the cat in the hat. Y'all charge me with terrorism. I'm an activist. I've been an activist since 1986. I turned in guns and drugs to end the war on drugs. And Scott Shellenberger used that case to get an indictment. I was potty training politicians, and I used a toilet to do it. I'm a member of Out for Justice, voter registration, and we talk about voter suppression. That's Governor Larry Hogan and Al Redmer. I was insured when I started this. Fox 45? Yeah, y'all want us to be scared of Trump? No, I'm scared of the whole station. Y'all putting Theroux back in the race. Baltimore's biggest loser. Trump got this information too. See right there? That's President Trump. That's President Trump. So if he get in office, he got to turn over that information. He can still go to jail because he participated in a fraud. We traded the penitentiary for the plantation cotton for cocaine, and you made our black community the cash crop. Yeah, I'm an American. I'm a free black man. So Chief Justice Roberts, Clarence Thomas, this is the Supreme Court, all right? And we talk about the Public Accommodations Act. And Governor Westmore just passed a proclamation about that. The Public Accommodations Act. That's voter registration. Jared Germantes. That's Scott Shellenberger. You ain't tough on crime, you tough on black people. This is Baltimore, Rewired, the money behind the machine. And we talking about Scott Shellenberger. That's President Obama. He asked for an investigation in 2008. That's Ivan Bates. You got an event on next weekend. So this is part of that conversation. That's Spring Grove Medical Facility. Y'all using a lot of drugs and opioids on these inmates. Alright? That's Adam May from WJZ. That's me. That's Linda Dodge in Parole and Probation. And that's WJZ. Alright? Consent to be videotaped. WJZ misled the public and lied to the public. They got information and evidence of corruption in the courts, abuses of power by the courts, the office of Scott Shellenberger, all right? By Scott Shellenberger. That's a whistleblower. Corruption in the courts, Baltimore City. Ivan Bates has the evidence, all right? That's Xavier Conway, the clerk of the court. Xavier Conway, the clerk of the court. That's the Maryland Public Defender's Office, Donald Schaefer. See that? Maryland Office of the Public Defender. That's the Maryland State Board of Elections. Whistleblower, Department of Justice number 211907, 2014. That's a whistleblower, the Comptroller's Office, 2015. Forged checks. Alright? All that. You feel me? So Shorty, pull your mask up? No. Me and Brandon Scott is tied for life. His son was born on my birthday. We tied to life. And these are the criminal charges against Scott Shellenberger. You feel me? Whistleblower, the movie. the movie about the courts. That's the confirmation of identity by the Department of Justice. That's a whistleblower's application, and it's notarized there, and it's notarized there since 2015. So Governor Westmore, what you gonna do? The 2024 session, you asked for service. Well, I've been serving the community since I came to Baltimore. You feel me? Since 1997. That's Shorty's. You feel me? Shorty's Bootleg Barbecue. And that's my penitentiary number, N62528. Google it. And that's Governor Westmore. That's ddshortman@gmail.com. So again, Governor Westmore, I need exoneration of the Supreme Court. Chief Justice Roberts got my paperwork. I'm the 2021 Weaver Award winner. I went from Baltimore's worst to Baltimore's best. And like I said, Governor Hogan got that. That's my lawyer, Mr. Bailey, Karen Levy, Kai Jackson, Mary Bubala, Vic Carter. Freedom is almost perfected. You stole me from my family. But I'm still standing. To be the best, you got to beat the best. And you ain't beat me yet. 2024, I want exoneration of the Supreme Court. Book, movie, and justice. And it ain't gonna be just us. These are the supporters of Shorty. I'm sending out a SOS. You feel me? The supporters of Shorty's. Just cause you see me by myself don't mean I'm by myself. I got an underground network of friends. I did what Martin taught me. I did what Malcolm taught me. And I'm gonna do what Thurgood Marshall taught me. We're gonna end this where we started this, in a court of law. 2024, I want it all. It belongs to me.